Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. See guys, I am super excited. My joy, gosh guys, jeez, I am so excited right now. My heart is filled with joy. Jeez, this girl is doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In case you're just coming across this channel, hi, my name is Cynthia. Please make yourself comfortable, okay? Yes, so are you seeing that? Do you know that person right there? This baby girl bought herself a brand new car. When I say brand new car, tear rubber. Yes, so she bought herself a tear rubber in this 2022, first day of 2022, January 1. Oh my God, I am super happy. I am excited. I am overjoyed. I'm overwhelmed. Guys, are you just seeing that? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that right now. Click on that subscribe button, subscribe, like, comment, share. All those beautiful good stuffs, okay? Guys, let me just take you guys to what people are saying, what celebrities are saying, what Emmanuel said, all those stuff. Make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe. Okay guys, let's dive straight into the video. So over here, Liko says, guess who just got a new ride? Me. Yes, me, the first of many to come. It still feels like a dream. I decided to start my year with a gift to myself, and God came through for me. May your new year be filled with gifts as you celebrate with me. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, beautiful baby girl, Liko Rose. Roslyn Omokwa Afije, aka Liko Rose, the fire dancer, the professional dancer. Happy New Year, dear. And once again, congratulations. More. See, more are on the way. See, guys, you must surely buy a house before this year ends. Okay, yes, you buy your own house. Who they breathe? Who they breathe self? Just take a good look at this beautiful white car, a brand new car, a tear rubber for that matter. Oh my goodness. See joy, I'm super excited. So let's head over to what celebrities are saying, what fans are saying, what Emmanuel said, guys, because okay, over here it says, Emma says, oh my God, oh my, congratulations, so blue, oh my geez, this is so sweet. And Liko says, it may seem as though black and white. Which one is white again? Can someone explain to me? Because I'm not understanding this white stuff that Liko used here. And over here, Nengi official says, proud of you, love. Thank you so much, Nengi, for commenting, for wishing her well, for being proud of her, because this girl is doing so great. Oh my God. Right over here, it says, official Sasuke says, Oppo, showcase, congratulations, baby. No wonder I be see you for my dream. For which dream? Sasuke, for which kind dream you see a baby girl Liko Rose? No wonder I be see you for my dream. And Liko says, thanks, fly girl. Diane Rose says, congratulations. Once again, congrats, baby girl. You did so great. You are doing very well. It's not easy. And again, you shocked us. First day of 2022, you decided to do what? To just shock us. You shocked us. So, and right over here, Alex Unusual says, congratulations, darling. Aliko says, thanks, mama. Ella says, one of her GGB dance crew, one of her girls says, you are a God's child. Congrats. Of course, she's a God's child. Just count. If you have not watched the video I posted this evening, yes, the number of these things, deals they signed last year, 2021, just go there and count them and see the number of deals this girl signed. The things she bagged the last year. Just go there and check it out for yourself, okay? You can watch it after watching this one. Yes, baby girl Ella, she's a God's child. Guys, I am so happy for her. And right over here, these people says, Gucci81 says, congratulations to you, more wins. Okay, Gucci, this Gucci is Liko's brother. Oh. If you don't know that, yes, this is Liko's brother. And GGB Dance Crew, they says, congratulations, love. Ah, this one shocked me. Oh, this one pierced me from my heart. White Money say Maz Ozopri one of Udi Kingdom in Enugu State says, if it's not white, we aren't getting it. Congratulations, Lily Mo. I understand this is comment because you guys know that the car is white. So he says, if it's not white, we aren't getting it. Congratulations, Lily Mo. Ah, White, thank you so much, White. You guys are just the best. You guys are the bestest. Sammy says, more win dear. Happy New Year. Ah, thank you, Sammy. And Sammy, yours is also on the way. Okay, yes. So, and Michael 042 says, L4 Liquor Mobile. Thank you so much, Michael. And Polio says, or is it Chloe or something says, big gear whip. Yes, so big gear whip. If you can do it, if you think it's easy, my dear, go for it. If you think it's easy, I love seeing people that are doing great. I love seeing women that are working so hard for themselves. All right, over here, Maria Chike Benjamin says, we enter 2022 with pressure. Mado, congrats, Fred. Prada you. Aliko says, thanks, baby. Tega Dominic says, congratulations, baby. Congrats, baby girl. I love you, Liko. More to come, more to come, more to come. And those people that are wishing you well, yes, are also on the way. And Tolani Badge says, congratulations. And Saga also says, 2022 in full cruise mood. Of course, now, they must buy house, so everybody must buy their own car this 2022. All the BB Niger housemates, that's my prayer for them. Okay, let's head over to the next one. A former one of Liko's dance girl says, congratulations, girl, more blessings coming through for you this year. Amen. And Liko says, thanks, Barbie. Irene says, congrats. Baby, best year yet, of course. And this person by name says, is it baby doll? Says, big, big. Congratulations, darling. More to come. Congrats, Liko Rose. Gosh, this one, this thing they shock me. Over here, Jackie Ben says, new year, new whip. Congrats, girl. Of course, new year, new things. I'm so happy for this girl. And J Paul says, congratulations, girl. And Yeri says, congrats, Rose. Thank you so much, Earrings. Thank you so much, J Paul. Thank you so much, Jackie B. See, if you wish others well, yours will come. And Lord Lamba, you all remember that, yes, she featured they acted one small comedy movie the other day, and Lord Lamba says, star girl. Of course, she's a star girl. This person says, congratulations. Funny something says, congratulations. Congrats, Lily Mo. Let's head over to the next one. Sam Speedy, even Sam Speedy, this popular comedian says, congrats, love. Hey, Jesus. Says that they do for you. And Linda Osifo says, go getter. She's a go getter. That one's for sure. Fioke says, more wins. And Buddy Osho something says, big congrats, darling. Big congrats, darling. Wow, guys, let's head over to the next one. By name, Mozano something says, congrats, boss lady. We just getting started. Of course, this is just the beginning. Don Flex says, congrats, there many more to come and happy 2022. Boma Okra says, happy new year. Congrats there. Link up Thomas Estate. very soon she's gonna buy another one. Yes, so all right, over here, see, Nini says, congratulations, Rosie. Oh, and Cora Obidi. Go, this Cora Obidi is also a dancer. This girl that dances even with pregnancy. Sometimes, this all her dance moves. It's shocking, oh. Okay, and she says, congratulations, you deserve it. Oh, of course, she deserves it all. I'm so happy for you, Lico Rose. I'm so happy for you. I pray that more will come, more deals, more money, more cars, more house, more everything, long life and prosperity. And over here, Dari says, congrats, happy new year. Big celebrities are congratulating Lico Rose. Over here, Billy Q says, congrats is small wins. And right here, by I am Faith Ojo says, congratulations, baby. Guys, big celebrities, the way they are just congratulating Nicole Rose, gosh. So all these celebrities are following her. Oh my God, it melts my heart, it's melting my heart. And right here, this person says, congratulations. Pinky Debbie says, congrats, boo. To more kids horn. DJ something says OPG more to come. What's the meaning of OPG? I don't know. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. Be dropping your comments in the comment section. It's not easy, okay? Right here, this person by name Jane something says congratulations then. Official King Yusef Oche King Yusef says congratulations, Likon. Nkechi Blessing says, congratulations, superstar. Of course, this girl is a superstar. Guys, make sure you're dropping your comments in the comment section. Okay, be dropping them. And over here, Bukola says, congratulations, darling. Oh, and Jenny Frank says, congratulations. Liko Lion says, congratulations, guys. Fans are going gaga. Have you seen this? Jeez, see guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that right now. Do it as fast as possible, okay? So that whenever I drop a video, you see it. Over here, the Shapeables or Nothing says, yeah, congratulations, darling. Maiden Ball says, oh, congratulations, my darling, more to come. And Lola Okoye is one of I don't know whether it's Peter or Paul's wife, says congrats there. Even Peter or Paul, whether it's Peter or Paul, I don't even know. Over here, this person says congrats. Over here, Max Berry says congratulations, and Adance 11 says congratulations there. Congrats, baby girl, Lico Rose. I pray for you that more will come your way, and to all those that wished you well, they will get theirs. When I say theirs will come, this 2022 is our year. If it is not your year, it's my year. Make sure to claim it, okay? Wish others well so that yours will come. See, well, it's not even hard to type congrats. Just be happy for others. See, the Rose is always happy for others. Even while Big Brother's house, after every what is it called? After every game or whatever, I don't even have forgotten what it's called. She will just say congrats to the winners. She types, she says it. So guys, wish others well so that yours will come. And yes, if you enjoyed watching this video and if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Do that right now. Smash that subscribe button. I say smash it, okay? But do not smash your phone or your laptop, whatever it is you are using to watch my video. Thank you so much. I love you all so much. Happy New Year. This girl decided to choke us this 2022 first day. She decided to do what? To just blow us off, just blow our mind off. Gosh, she did great. I'm so happy for her. More to come. And yes, again, to other housemates, more wins. Okay, you guys are going to get yours this 2022. It must surely happen. To those praying for good news, to those praying for babies, to all TTC moms, I pray that you all will get pregnant before the year runs out. Okay, thank you so much. I love you all so much. Until I come here next time, for now, do have a wonderful day. Bye. Mwah.